This is a wild time, a scary time. Some people are actually a little panicked, as we've seen with what's been selling out on the shelves, from Purell to masks and Clorox and such. Tell me what the developments are at this time and how it's affecting your company.
Great. Well, it's been quite an experience, Nicole. We announced the launch of this coronavirus program at the beginning of the week, and it's really been nonstop activity on our side. We have a very unique vaccine that's designed to protect against COVID-19. We're in the process of developing this vaccine in combination with University of Miami. And the vaccine has many advantages over existing vaccines. So it's a very powerful vaccine platform, utilizing our GP96 program that we've taken into the clinic for oncology. It's been tested with NIH and DoD funding for malaria, for Zika virus, for HIV, with good published results. And we really look forward to moving ahead with this for COVID-19, for coronavirus.
It's very exciting. It's a much needed vaccine at this time, as we see, obviously, with fatalities on the rise. In fact, California with a state of emergency. Have you worked with the administration at all, like some of the other companies we know have been working with the administration? I know it's somewhat of a collaborative effort. I know you share information to a certain extent.
Well, we really do appreciate the efforts of the White House and Vice President Pence to bolster private enterprise in finding solutions to this pandemic, as well as their partners in Congress. And we have been in discussions with various government agencies regarding the vaccine. We haven't announced or spoken about anything regarding anything about this yet, but it's something obviously of great interest to the community, to the nation right now.
I'll tell you, is it going well? Because your stock is flying, right? A week ago, your stock was just over 20 cents. Now I see it jumping. Today it's jumping 37%, sitting at $1.12. So you've had quite the week for your stock. A lot of excitement there.
It has been. It has been. I think the stock. The stock has moved based on appreciation of the coronavirus program, as well as our ongoing oncology programs as well, where we've demonstrated positive data in the clinical data that we've reported. So we are really appreciative to the market and the support that we receive. But it has been a very wild week for us.
How's it going? I mean, what is the likelihood? Because I don't know how long ago that you talk about some of the other things like malaria and HIV, and I know you're experts in oncology as well. But I mean, these are research and development, clinical trials over weeks, months, years that you've worked on that and gotten some great findings. What kind of timeline are we looking at for your company's vaccine for coronavirus to find out when it may be, when we'll find out how useful it really is?
Great. Well, right now, this is really a moving target. And frankly, we're in uncharted territory with respect to this sort of development program.
It must be on a fast track, though, right?
I'm sorry?
It must be on the fast track, right? We always use that phrase, fast track, or, it's not obviously sitting on the back burner.
No, absolutely not. I mean, we're working as fast as we can with our partners to develop this and bring this out there. But it truly is uncharted territory. But you can be sure that we are aggressively pursuing this. I mean, it's a very unique. When
you raised money, I just had one quick question. When you raised money, right? You did another offering of stock earlier in the year. What was your purpose for those funds that you raised?
Well, this was before, so that was really focused on developing our oncology programs, as well as other programs that we have moving into the clinic and now as well. But the interesting thing is the same platform that we use for oncology. This vaccine platform, this GP96 vaccine platform, is a platform that is well suited for taking on pandemics like COVID-19. So we've used the same platform, and in conjunction with the University of Miami, in partnership with them, to take on malaria and to take on Zika and to take on HIV, SIV in Department of Defense funded studies and also NIH funded studies. And we've reported really great results for use of this same platform in those infectious disease. So it's the same platform being applied to coronavirus.